This is a brief overview of Cloud4Dentists. As soon as you log on, you will start with a practice board here, and the practice board is where the practice can put announcements, and everybody can write something here, and it's the first thing that is opened when you log on, and you get to know who has logged on in the bar here, and who has seen the board for the day. If you move down to the patient records here, we have a free text search here, so you can type anything you like here. It can be part of the name, part of the surname, and you can search for the patients, or you can open existing patients from here. As soon as you open a patient, this read-only view which tells you some information about the patient. We have a post-it note here for the general notes for the patient. Contact details are here and address. These bars will be always visible, and is the name of the patient, age, doctor in charge, status, outstanding balance if any, price tag is colored by the and identifies the price list for the patient, and medical warnings are here. If you go down in the menu here, you can check all details here and amend the details and save the details. We support quite a lot of stuff for patient, like family contacts, membership, and the patient portal credentials here. If you click the third tab, we have the medical history. Medical history is fully configurable under settings, and questions can be any type you like. And there's a special section here that is reserved for the doctor to write information that they don't want to display to patients when next time they do the medical history. We store the full medical history here, and we store on the timeline, we store the changes for the day. I'll show you in a second. If the other tab is referrals, we have a full referral document management here, where the patient is on the center. On the left, you have all the practice that refer to us, or the hospital or GPs, and on the right of the patient we have all the hospital or dentist or specialist that we refer to our patient to. It's easy. You can store all kind of documents. You can store store all kind of documents, letters and communications, and keep track of what has been done by the referrer. Timeline is the place where we can store all events of the patient, and we can order new events are on top, and you can scroll down and see whatever has been done. So for instance, today has been done several exams here. There's a medical history change here. You can see all the documents that's been signed, and x-rays or pictures you took is all underneath the timeline. From here you can upload documents, or you can scan documents, or do all sort of filtering here. Chart is a full graphical chart, as opposed to other system. They offer a digital version of the paper-based. It's very easy to understand what's going on, and it can be shared with the patient. On the treatments, you have the plans here, active plans, completed plans, or proposed plans. You can update the treatments in the plan here. You have your chart, your treatment underneath here. If you need to do the base chart, you can click the base chart, and you have a way to update the base chart, that is manually or from X-ray or with voice. You have a review of the chart. You have your last BP here. Your list of findings are here. All the X-rays that has been taken are ordered here, and so easy to access them. If you want to do a base chart, you just simply select the chart, the tooth, and then chart it. We have clinical notes here, which are the same as the exam clinical notes. We offer 3 ways of doing the clinical notes, starting from templates. Templates can be simple text, they can be amended, or it can be, you can do from here for your templates here, or we offer a couple of ways of forms where you need to fill the missing parts of your clinical notes, and then you save it as a text. We offer also a way to dictate the notes, and we can parse it with using AI and get a summary of your notes as well. Other tabs here is to see the X-rays and conditions and the history of the single tooth. We are working to provide a new functionality which is called Planner Chair, and this is to discuss the treatment plans with the patients when the patients are on a chair, and we can record a video the screen, and then using AI we can transcribe the conversation and again get a summary for that. Flow is a way to automate emailings or tasks for the patient. Then we offer under exams, we offer all possible exams for dentists, and we also offer customized exams for any other type of clinic. So first is the clinical notes. Is exactly the same as the chart. The chart notes is just here. You can write next to the chart and the X-rays. You can look at the X-ray here. While here you can write. Have a big space, like you can write more stuff. Again, we offer dictates in here as well. We have 6 pocket chart here. We have BPE, basic erosion, and we have bleeding and plaque exam. We have soft tissues, and we have extra oral exam as well. For if you do Botox, we also have a facial chart where you can mark where the Botox are, and there's also a way to customize and add forms here, and the form can be any type of questionnaire. And if you add on the settings templates, if you add your questionnaire, it will be visible on the list here. Communication is all the text and emails that we send out to the patient. If you have DM integrated, especially for orthodontists in Cloud4Ortho, you can send messages, DM messages directly from here. You have all financial, so you can issue bills here, and you can keep track of your account here. So invoices, payments, everything is underneath here, and in this case the balance is 0, and is visible here at 0. Calendar is very simple. Is Outlook based calendar, so we show is very close to Outlook calendar, and it's very easy to use. You can navigate on the top bar here, and you can create appointments just simply by clicking. You can drag and drop or extend the time by dragging and dropping here. So this is very simple to use. There are some filters here you can apply to the calendar. Reception is your check-in, check-out place. Basically, it is the list of appointments are here. So as soon as the patient arrives, you can put on the waiting room. If you're logged on as the doctor, you can see it from here. The patient has arrived, and here you can get a list of, in this case, document has been signed, and the medical history is valid. Yeah, and from here you can, especially for the people that is in waiting room, you can ask to sign all kind of, you can ask all kind of documents. You can ask to sign the registration form in case it's not registered. You can ask to sign consents. You can ask to update the medical history. Everything you do it from here. You can do it through a tablet by a reception task, or you can open QR code here, and then, for instance, send a medical history here. You get a QR code. You can send the QR code into a device that's facing the patient on the desk. or you can send the form or the QR code. So if you send the QR code to the desk, the patient can use their mobile phone to do the medical questionnaire or any of the consents you want to or plans you want to sign. You can move it patient under treatment, and you get the tool, a bar here and a bar here that tells you how long the patient will stay in the room. And then when the visit or the treatment is finished, you can move it into checkout, and from here you can easily set recalls or ask the payment the payment and issue the bill and payments here. We have also a task, so anyone can create a task and assign to people, and people can simply check their own task, and then they can say it's in progress now or has been done. We have a reporting section here on the dashboard. It's very simple. We have all kind of reports and custom reports at the bottom. You can filter by time and by staff as well. You can store some documents, PDFs and images here, general for the practice. And under settings, you can control the information around the practice, the staff. You can define your own templates, sort of opening hours, and you can configure on the system. You can configure your system as you like it. Optionally, we offer a built-in CRM. Here is to manage your prospect and your campaigns. The prospects can come from any source, any CRM or Excel spreadsheets, and or we offer also a form that can be published, and then when the prospect is filling it, we'll create an entry here. We have a built-in compliance here, and we offer quite a lot in the compliance. We have the logbooks where you can keep track of your contracts. You can generate audits. We can generate audits based on your data. You can have your policies. You can define the staff documents that are required for each active member of staff. You can keep track of your CPD trainings, meetings. We have a way to manage your assets here. You can put your own floor plan here, and you can add your assets here. And we have a way to monitor your performance and see a summary of what has been done. We have also a two-way system for text messages, DM messages, and email messages. This is optional. In general, you can easily configure your email as an outbound, so you don't get the inbox, but you can send emails out using your email provider. If you want the inbox a two-way, we provide you an email address and a phone number if you want the text messages, and then you can send messages, text messages, emails, and DM messages. You can receive messages based on the email address. We can put under the email on the patient's contact, prospect, GP, referrals, labs, and other. We offer a built-in inventory system here. We have a reputation manager here, and just a note: we will release an imaging software soon. Yeah, as you can see, Cloud4Dentists is very powerful, and it's easy at the same time. If you want to contact our reps to have a full demo, we are more than happy to support you. Thanks for watching.